What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Aaron Kyle Reacts, and today we are reacting to another Kevin James video. This one is Inception ending revealed by Sound Guy. It's supposed to be a comedy, so we'll see how that goes. I love Kevin James. I love Leonardo DiCaprio. This is gonna be a great video. I'm not gonna hold you guys. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's get the video going. This is such a good movie.
Nice. That's there.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
I'm so confused. Anybody else? Anybody know what's going on with this one? Just have to see it in the theater. Okay. So, anybody gonna?
He's talking about the food.
Woo! Oh, shoot. He's good though. That comfort is good.
Why is he eating it like that? Another piece of food. No, he didn't. Wow. Wow. So does that mean that it was fake or that it was real? I'm not. I liked the movie. It was a little confusing there at the end, but I don't know. I really like that movie. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. That's pretty short, but that's usually what his videos consist of, like 2-minute videos or whatever. If you guys like that video, please make sure to like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. It's free to subscribe, so I don't want to hear any excuses. It really helps me out, helps the channel out, helps me grow. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.